So I'm from Varanasi, and I'm my studies were from Kolkata, St. Xavier's College. So I completed my graduation this year, and currently I'm pursuing CA. I have my exams in December 21 for both the groups, intermediate, and 21 days back, this was the position I was in as you all are. So I was thinking, ki, should I go for this? But that was a life-changing moment for that, and I borrowed money from my friend to enroll for this because I didn't had cash, didn't had money in my bank, so I borrowed some money, and now I think this was something I should have done much earlier. Once 6 months back, I saw this the advertisement for this, the score more study is, but I ignored it. And this time also, when I saw this, I ignored it. I opened the link, but I said, oh, it is like we do it every day. Matlab ki, the motivation, it goes on YouTube. Anyone is bragging ki we can do this, we can do that. But I just took ki, chalo acha karte hain. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, that doesn't matter. Let's see what I get. So I think that was the best decision I had ever take, because I was not confident about my exam. I gave the attempt in uh, last attempt, and I was weak in theory subjects, so I didn't clear. In tax, I was left with 8 marks. In audit, I was left with 12 marks, and everything was bad. Uske baad I was like, should I change this? Because I'm at a point that my graduations are complete, so I can go for MBA. I can do something else. Why CA? So this was something I was going through. But then when I came through the course, it changed everything, because the my psychology for study, my behavior towards the study changed, because I was thinking like कि पढ़ना पढ़ाई was like a burden for me कि क्यों पढ़ना है, but now it seems like कि this is the thing that is going to change and build my entire career. Everything is dependent on what I do now. So right now I am completed with third revision of all the subjects, majorly all the subjects. I'm left with some of the theory portions. Whatever I studied in 21 days is something I never studied in entire CA intermediate, whatever attempts I gave. I never studied. मतलब कि on the exam day, I was not prepared as I am now. I bet you.
Wow,
And
that's
yes,
great,
ma'am.
Rajni.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm too confident that I can just clear it exam with good marks. Even I have chances to score a rank, because I think the best way to study, the best way to do anything is what I'm doing. Everything is very organized. I have time to play. I have time to sit with my family. I have time to watch web series. I do everything, and I get time to study for 10 to 12 hours. So that's sorted because I do everything, whatever is required to keep yourself happy and keep your study intact. So now I have track of my subjects, like what I am lagging in, what I need to do. We plan it, everything. Whatever problems we have, we don't bother about that. We plan for it. Like 2 days back, I texted ma'am कि I am facing issue with tax and audit. So ma'am personally gave me advice ki how to go with those subjects. And today only I solved the 2 RTPs of tax, and I'm so much confident ki now I know ki where I have to do and what I have to do to clear my tax, because tax is the biggest burden of each and every student, because it's like ki 2 to 3 subjects combined together. So it was so
Yes.
good. Yes. And I think like we have all everyone have a disturbance in life. We have disturbance with each and everything we see, with each and every person. So with all the environment, how to keep your study going is this master tip, because this is what really matters for you. Because 5 years down the line, you will think, why don't I study? Why don't I? If I would have studied for 4 hours, 5 hours, I would have been somewhere else, right? Now I think if I would have taken it 6 months back, maybe I would have been article in a big four, because I had good marks in my graduation, good marks in my intermediate. So that was, but now everything changed. So this is the time. No, it's never late to take the decision, but the sooner you take, the better you are. So thank you, ma'am, for everything. and I keep texting you on the group that how your messages and earnings helped me. So thank you for everything.
Thank you so much, Rajneesh, for taking out time and coming here to share your experience. I'm really happy to see your progress. You're able to study 10 to 12 hours a day and you're achieving all your targets. Is that?
Yeah.
So guys,